Hi everyone, let's talk about Context Therapeutics. It's a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that develops products for the treatment of cancer for women in the United States. There's a lot of risks, but the price is pumping. I guess they are getting squeezed pretty big time. Snowflake analysis show red, market cap 75 million, debt is not well covered by operating cash flow. Shares are highly illiquid, but I guess they are currently liquid. There's pretty high volumes on the market. Makes actually zero in the revenue, negative shareholder equity, and two more risks that pretty fresh. They made IPO back in end of October, less than 3 years of financial data available. And yeah, the risk about the market cap. There's the price history and performance. Lately was the board change. Since they are only 1 month on the market, there's no 1 year returns. Anyway, 7-day return is currently showing 42%. It beats the US pharmaceutical industry and also the market. Of course, the price volatility is huge. About the company, founded 2015, employees 2. And this is already making the IPO, so this is fantastic. Fundamental summary, 75 million, makes no revenue at all, earnings minus 1.6 million, typical biotech company, valuation nothing. Unfortunately, tip ranks or the market watch does not have any price targets. Unfortunately, future growth is not forecasted for the company, but for the industry, 11%. Past performance, actually, this is kind of weird because they did not have any revenue, but they managed to increase the earnings somehow. Not sure how was that. Maybe they printed the shares out, and yeah, currently company is unprofitable. Financial health side, we see. Unfortunately, there's negative shareholder equity, which is pretty serious situation. And they do have a little bit of cash, 1.2 million. Debt, 124,000. So be careful for if you are investing in this type of company where the shareholder equity is on the negative side. They do have a little bit of the cash. Basically, here's the drug pipeline that they have. Breast cancer, second line and first line, both on the second phase. And there's nothing. The latest news was back in 19th of November, where they pleased that the product that they had will be presented in SAPCS, including the first clinical data. But anyway, I guess this is squeezing. Therefore, there's a high possibilities that the stock price will drop from these prices. So be careful, try to not make anything stupid. Balance sheet looks green. Unfortunately, I guess the liability plus equity side is not accurate because they have negative shareholder equity, which should be reddish here. They're not paying dividends. And inside a transaction is important information. There's on a buy side 2 individuals, chief legal officer, corporate secretary, and co-founder were buying 22nd of October, where actually at the beginning. So here they brought. That's something new. Ownership breakdown, general public holding 82%, insiders 10, private company 7.6. What are the names? Well, that's the biggest percentage that I've ever saw. Yeah, there's a co-founder increasing 479%. There's the senior VP of research adding 177%. Anyway, pretty risky, pretty volatile price. With only second of the phases, so if they somehow fail, it will directly affect on the price. It would correct as 70% or 90 or even 99%. So be careful, guys. Try to make your due diligence and try to diversify your portfolio. Try not to invest all your money in one company. And yeah, anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.